What is the capital city of France? Rome, Paris, Madrid, Berlin. The correct answer is Paris. Which element has the chemical symbol O? Gold, oxygen, osmium, arlevine. The correct answer is oxygen. Which US president said the famous line, "Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country"? Franklin D. Roosevelt, John F. Kennedy, Ronald Reagan, Dwight D. Eisenhower. The correct answer is John F. Kennedy. In literature, who created the detective character Sherlock Holmes? Charles Dickens, Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, Agatha Christie, H.G. Wells. The correct answer is Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Which planet in our solar system has the largest moon? Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, Earth. The correct answer is Jupiter. What is the world's smallest country by land area? Monaco, San Marino, Vatican City, Liechtenstein. The correct answer is Vatican City. The Battle of Hastings took place in which year? 1215, 1492, 1066, 1415. The correct answer is 1066. Which artist painted the Night Watch? Rembrandt, Vermeer, Van Gogh, Rubens. The correct answer is Rembrandt. The Rosetta Stone, key to deciphering Egyptian hieroglyphs, was discovered in which country? Italy, Greece, Egypt, Turkey. The correct answer is Egypt. Which famous ship sank in 1912 after hitting an iceberg? Lusitania, Titanic, Britannic, Queen Mary. The correct answer is Titanic. Which city is known as the Eternal City? Athens, Rome, Jerusalem, Istanbul. The correct answer is Rome. Which famous novel begins with the line, "Call me Ishmael"? Great Expectations, Moby Dick, The Old Man and the Sea, War and Peace. The correct answer is Moby Dick. The world's first postage stamp, the penny black, was issued in which country? France, Germany, United Kingdom, United States. The correct answer is United Kingdom.